Hello everyone and welcome to the session 3 of unit 4, that is estimation of cost in welding and sheet metal shop. So myself Mohammad Imran. So in the today's session we are discussing the problems on estimation in welding shop. Estimate the welding material cost for making an rectangular frame for a gate of 2 meter and 1 meter from the angle of iron size 30 into 30 into 5. So this is the angle size 30 into 30 into 5 is the thickness of the plate. So assuming the following data, oxygen consumption is 0.4 cubic meter per hour. That means meter cube per hour. So if you weld for 1 hour, we require zero point 0.4 meter cube of oxygen, and cost is 50 cubic meter, that is 50 meter cube. If you weld for 1 meter cube, per meter cube you require, per meter cube of oxygen we have to pay 50 rupees. So how much meter cube you will consume, that will multiplied by the cost, that is 50, that will give you the oxygen cost. Acetylene consumption is 0.4 meter cube per hour, which is available at 50 per meter cube. Welding speed is 4 meter per hour. So in 1 hour we can weld 4 meter. So length of the filler rod diameter is, length of the filler rod of diameter 2.5 meter equals to 3.4 per meter of welding. So the length of the filler rod required is 3.4 meter per meter of weld. The diameter of the filler rod is 2.5 millimeter. The filler rod material is rupees 13 per kg. Welding is to be done on both sides. So this is the gate, rectangular gate. So height of this gate is 2 meter and the width of this gate is 1 meter. So the plates used for welding this purpose is 30 size. This is 30 and this is 30. This is the side view. 30 into 30. This thickness is 5 So in order to prepare this weld, make this gate, so we have to cut like this, because we are joining the angles at 90 degrees. So you have to make the edge preparation like this. So like this you have to cut it into exactly 45 degree like this. So you have to weld this side here, all this on 4 side, 1 side, 2 side, 4 side, 3 side, 4 side. The welding has to be done here, and the side view, in the side view you have to weld here lengthwise here, this length. So total length of weld is this 4 sides plus 4 side this one. So total length of weld is AB plus CB into 4 times. So but we need to find out the length of AB here, which is not straight here. So in order to find out the length of AB, you must use the hypotenuse. So this side is, if you take this as a right angle triangle, so I'll show how to consider this, the right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle here. Here. So this is the length of AB now. This is the length AB. You put like this. Okay. So this is the length AB. So this is you need to find. So you can see that this length, that is from here to here, this side is 30 side, 30 and from here to here this length is also 30 That means these two sides are 30 30 So if you want hypotenuse, so this is, if you know the two sides, that is square of these two sides, multiplied by square root of the square of these two sides will gives you the length of the hypotenuse, because the hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. If you want a hypotenuse, you have to cross the square this side, that will become square root. So the length of AB will become, so 30 square plus 30 square. So the length of AB, this side 30 and this side 30, that is 30 is adjacent and 30 is 30 is adjacent, 30 is opposite. So 30 square plus 30 square plus 30 is this bottom side. So 30 plus 30 square plus 30, this is CB length. So 72.43 is the total length. So 42.43 will come, this hypotenuse side will come as 42.43. You can see from the calculator. So 30 square plus 30 square root of answer so total length will be 72.43. This is 42.43 plus 30 is 72.43. So this is has to be done on four sides, one side here, one side here, one side here, and one side here. 4 into 72.43. This 2 is for both sides. We have to do welding on both sides as mentioned in the problem. So 2 times means 2 sides, both sides, inside and outside. 2 into 4 is 4 sides, this side, this side, this side, and this side. And this 72.43 is the total length of weld, AB plus CB. AB length is 42.43 and CB length is 30. 42.43, how it comes means it is the square root of 30 square plus 30 square, that will give you 42.43 plus 30, this is CB length. So 72.43 is the total length. So 2 is both sides, welding on both sides. 4 is 4 sides here, multiplied by this 72.43, this is 579.44. all dimension is in millimeter. So convert this into meter, so multiplied by 1000, that will gives you 0.579 meter, that is 0.8 meter. We are rounded up to 0.58 meter. So 0.58 meter of welding is required for making this gate. So using this 0.5 meter, we require to move to the calculating the metal cost. So welding speed is given as you can see, welding speed is 4 meter per hour. So in 1 hour we can weld 4 meter. So we need to weld only 0.58 meter. So 0.58 divided by 4, that will give you 0.145 hour is required for welding 0.58 meter of welding. In 1 hour we can weld 4 meter, but it is our welding is only 0.58 meter. We require less than 1 hour, that is 0.58 divided by 4, that is 0.145 hour of time is required for welding. So oxygen consumption at 0.4 meter cube per hour. That means for 1 hour of welding we require 0.4 meter cube, but our welding is only 0.145 hours. So 0.145 multiplied by 0.4, that will give you the oxygen consumption. 0.058 meter cube of oxygen is required. The cost of oxygen is 50 per meter cube. For 1 meter cube we require 50, but our requirement is only 0.058. So 50 multiplied by 0.058, that is rupees 290 is cost of oxygen. Acetylene consumption is 0.4 per meter cube. 0.4 into 0.145, that is the length time of welding. So that will give 0.058 meter cube of acetylene is required. The cost of acetylene is same, 50 into 0.058, that is 2.90. Then the length of the filler rod required at 3.4 meter per meter of welding. So for welding 1 meter we require 3.4 meter. So So our welding length is only 0.58. So 0.58 multiplied by 3.4, we requires 1.972 meter of filler rod, that is converted into centimeter for calculating weight. So diameter of the filler rod is 2.5 millimeter. So pi d square, pi into 2.5 square divided by 4 multiplied by length of the filler rod 197.2, that will give you the volume of the filler rod. Volume multiplied by the density, assuming the density as 7.8. 7.8 into 9.68. If the density is not given, we have to assume the suitable density. So 7.8 into 9.68, that will give you 70.5 grams grams of filler rod required. In terms of kg, that is 0.0755 kg of filler rod required. The cost of the filler rod is rupees 13 per kg. On kg we have to pay 13, but your requirement is only 0.075 kg. So multiplied by 13, that will give you the cost of filler rod rupees 0.9815. So that is the cost of filler rod. The total cost of material is cost of oxygen, cost of acetylene, and the cost of the filler rod. Cost of the oxygen is 2.90, cost of acetylene is also 2.90, and the cost of filler rod is 0.9815. The total cost will be 6.78. So next solution is cylindrical boiler drum. So drum is there, 2.5 meter and 1 meter diameter. The diameter of the boiler is 1 meter and the length of the boiler is 2.5 meter. Is to be made from 15 mm thick MS plate. So 15 mm thick MS plate is used for making this drum. Both ends are closed by welding circular plates. So both the ends are closed by welding a circular plates that should be of dia 1 meter, because its open dia is 1 meter. So in order to close this open dia, we require two such kind of circular plates of dia 1 meter. Cylindrical portion is welded along the longitudinal seam. The lengthwise it is welded by longitudinal seam. Welding is done on both inner and outer side. Calculate the electrical welding cost using the following data. So you have to calculate the welding cost for electrical welding cost for making such welding. So rate of welding is rupees 2 meter per hour on inner side and the 2.5 meter per hour on outer side. The welding speed is we can weld 2 meter in 1 hour on inner side. So inner side we can weld 2 meter in 1 hour and outer side we can weld 2.5 meter in 1 hour. The length of the electrode required is 1.5 meter per meter of welding. So if you weld for 1 meter, we require 1.5 meter of filler rod electrode. Cost of electrode is rupees 2.6 per meter. So it is given in lengthwise, so no need to calculate the weight of the electrode because it is given in terms of meter. So how much meter of electrode required multiplied by 2.6, that will give you the cost of electrode. Power consumption is 4 kilowatt hour per meter of weld. That means if you weld for 1 meter, you require power 4 kilowatt per hour. If you weld 1 meter, we require 4 kilowatt hour power. So power charges is 25 paisa per kilowatt hour. So if you use 1 kilowatt hour, you need to pay power charges as 25 paise. So labor charges is rupees 4 per hour. So labor charges will come in welding. So total welding time required multiplied by 4, that will give you the labor cost. Other overhead charges is 100% of prime cost. Discarded electron is 5%. Discarded electron means you cannot use fully electrode every time. So some part of the electrode will be wasted. So that is 5%. That is considered as 5%. That is also considered for calculating this material cost. Fatigue and setting up allowances is 5% of welding time. Fatigue allowances and setting time is 5% of welding time. So this is the circular drum, the boiler. So this diameter of this boiler drum is 1 meter and length of this boiler is 2.5 meter. So total length of weld should be welding on this side plus the welding on this plates to close this boiler. So both sides 2 times this. But the welding speed is different, so you have to calculate individually. Now the total length of weld first total length of weld on inner side. So that means total length on weld on outside and total length on weld on inside both are same. So total length of the weld here is 2.5 meter lengthwise. So this lengthwise you have to weld 2.5 meter plus pi d. So you have to weld like this. So circumference you have to make linear. So that will become pi d. So pi into d is 1 meter. So to pi into 1 is 2 sides. So 2 is there. So here one top plates and another one is bottom plates. 2 into pi into 1, that will give the length of this circular plates on welding. So this length will be pi into d. Pi into 1, diameter is 1. So both side 2 side is there, top side and bottom side. So 2 into pi into 1, that will be the length of this circular plates, welding circular plates, plus 2.5 lengthwise. So this is 8.78 meter in one side. So for outside only. So inside also same. The inside we have to weld on this side here, inside here one time, inside in here this side, and lengthwise also. So inside it is also 8.78 meter and outside also 8.78 meter. So but the welding speed is different. So time required for welding outside is we can weld 2 meter per hour in outside and 2.5 meter per outside hour. So we can weld 2.5 meter in 1 hour, but our welding length is 8.78. That means it requires more than 1 hour. So 8.78 divided by 2.5, that is 3.5 on hour is required for outside welding. Similarly for inner side, which is lesser time, requires more time. So 8.78 divided by 2 hours, we can weld inside in 1 hour we can weld 2 meters. So our welding length is 8.78. So 8.78 divided by 2, that is 4.39 hours. So 4.39 hour is required for welding inside. This is nothing but cross multiplication. You have to put like for 1 hour 2.5 hour, for x hour required for 8.78. So x equals to 8.78 divided by 2.5 hour. Similarly 8.78 divided by 2. So that will give you the time for outside and inside welding. So total welding time will be the addition of outside welding and inside welding, 3.5 on plus 4.39, that is 7.9 hours is required for making this drum. 7.9 hours of welding is required for making this drum. Then taking fatigue and setting allowances as 5% of welding time. So 5% of extra fatigue and allowances required on welding time. So 5% of 7.9 hour is 0.39 hours. 5% means 5 divided by 100, that is 0.05, multiplied by 7.9, that is 0.395 hours. So 7.9 plus 0.395, that is 8.295 hour is the total time required for welding this boiler. So labor charges is rupees 4 per hour. That means if you the labor weld for 1 hour, we have to pay him 4 hours. So he has to weld 8.29 hours. So 8.29 hours multiplied by 4, that is 33.318 is the cost of the labor. Next, the cost of the electrode is it is given lengthwise, that is 1.5 meter per meter of welding. So length of the electrode required is 1.5 meter per meter of welding. That means if you weld for 1 meter, we required 1.5 meter of electrode. So our welding length is 2 times the 8.78, one time for outside and one side for inside. So 2 into 8.78 multiplied by 1.5. 1.5 meter means if you weld for 1 meter, we require 1.5 hours. So we have to weld 8.7 into 2 times. So 1.78 into 2 into 1.5, we require 26.34 meter of electrode. So 26.34 meter of electrode is required for welding both inside and outside, that is 8.78 into 2 times. Considering 5% of a discard electron, so wasted electron will be 5% of this one. So 5% means 0.05% of 26.3 that is 1.317. If you add this 26.31 to 1.37, that is the actual length of the electrode consumed. 26.34 1.317, that is 27.657 meter of electrode is required. So cost is given in terms of lengthwise, so directly multiply this by length cost, that will give you the cost of electron. The cost of electrode is rupees 2.6 per meter. So our meter is 27.675 meter is required. So 27.65 multiplied by 2.6, the cost of electrode will be 71.91. 71.91 is the cost of the electrode. So next, the cost of power consumption for 77.6 meter, that included both inside and outside. 8.78 divided into 2, that is 7.56 meter of total welding time is required. So power consumption in the problem he has mentioned that if you weld for 1 meter, we requires 4 kilowatt hour. So we have to weld for how much hour? We have to weld for totally 17.56 meter. If you weld for 1 meter, we require power charges as 4 kilowatt hour. So 4 multiplied by 17.56, that is we require 70.24 kilowatt of power. So the cost of the power is 25 paise per kilowatt. That means if you consume 1 kilowatt hour, we require to pay the cost of electricity as 25 paisa. But we are consuming 70.24 kilowatt hour of power. So 70.24 multiplied by cost of kilowatt hour, that is 0.25, that will give you the cost of power, that is 17.56. Next, the overhead charges. Prime cost equals to direct labor cost and direct material cost. Direct labor cost is rupees 33.18, that is the cost of welding. This is labor cost 33.18, and direct material cost is 71.91. Electrode cost 71.91, that is the prime cost will be, direct material cost will be direct labor 105.10. Overhead charges is 100% of prime cost. So 100% means again that 105 is 100%. So 105 plus 105, the total welding cost will be 105 plus 105.10. This 17.56 is the power charges. So power charges, so 33.18 is the labor cost, 17.1 is the material cost, 17.56 is the power charges, and 105.10 is the overhead charges. To add all these, will get total welding cost as 227.75. that will be the total welding cost. Very simple problem, just you need to calculate step by step. So for that, just cross multiplication is required. For x hour, how much time is weld is required. For x hour, how much electrode is required. Just cross multiplication like this. You should be very careful with that cross multiplication. You will get all these things. So thank you for watching this.